Hello students, now our point is with regrouping means subtracting from a 3-digit number with regrouping means with borrowing. We will see this. In that the first is given example 773 minus 345. So that example is arranged here in place value chart column. So let's see. Starting from ones column 3 minus 5, as 3 is smaller than 5, so we can't subtract it directly, right? So we'll take 1 borrow from it next. Now next is 7. If we take 110 from 7, how many will remain here? 6, and 110 plus 3 is become 13. Now first number is bigger than second one. Yes, so subtraction now we can perform. So 5 minus 13. Count after small number up to big number. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 means 8. So 8, 6 minus 4 is 2 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So your answer is 428. With this we'll start our exercise 4.5. In that the first question is solve the following subtraction problems. First is 977 minus 8. Starting from ones column, 7 minus 8. In subtraction our condition is what? Is first number should be bigger than second one. Now 7 is not bigger than 8, so we can't subtract 8 from 7. So what we will do? We will regroup tens column. So we will take 1 tens from 7. So if we take 110, how many will remain here? 7 minus 1 is 6, and 110 plus 7 is become 17. So now 17 is bigger than 8. Yes, so count after small number up to big number. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 means 9. So 9. 6 minus nothing is there, 0 is there. So 6 minus 0 is 6, and 9 minus again 0, 9 minus 0 is 9. So your answer is here 969. Next, 582 minus 37. Starting from ones column, 2 minus 7. Our first condition is first number should be bigger than second one. So 2 is not bigger than 7, so we can't subtract it, right? So we'll take first 1 borrow from it next. Now next is 8. If we regroup this, so if we take 110, so how many will remain here? 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7, and 110 plus 2 is become 12. So 12. Now first number is bigger than second one. Yes, so 7 minus 12. Count after small up to big. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 means 5. 7 minus 3. Count after small up to big. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 4. So 4. Then 5 minus nothing is there, 0 is there. So 5 minus 0 is 5. So answer is 545. See, 356 minus 129. Starting from ones column, 6 minus 9. Possible? No, as first number is not bigger than second number, so we can't subtract it. So we'll take 1 borrow from it next. Now if we take 110 from 5, how many will remain here? 4. And 110 plus 6 is become 16. Now first number is bigger than second one. Yes, so we can subtract it. Count after small number up to big number. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 means 7. Now 4 minus 2 is after 2 up to 4. After 2, 3, 4 means 2. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So your answer is here 227. This is how you can solve. So I hope you can do the rest of the sums. Second, question number 2. Arrange in the column and subtract. Examples are given. First we have to arrange in these columns and then we have to perform the subtraction. In that the first is given 427 minus 8. So as 7 is on ones, so 7 is on ones, then 2 is on tens, so 2 is on tens, then 4 is on 100, then minus 8. As 8 is one digit number, so we'll place 8 in ones column, so 8. Now starting from ones column, we have to do the subtraction. So 7 minus 8, as you can see here, 7 is smaller than 8, and our first condition is first number should be bigger than second one, so we can't subtract it, so we'll take 1, borrow from it next. Now next is 2. If we'll take 1, then how many will remain here? 2 minus 1 is 1, and 110 plus 7 is become 17. Now count after 8 up to 17. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 means 9. So 9. 1 minus nothing is there, 0 is there. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Again 4 minus 0 is 4. So your answer is here 419. Now next B, 735 minus 29. So as 5 is on ones, so 5 is on ones, then 3 is on tens, so 3 is on tens, 7 is on 100, then 9 is on ones, 2 is on tens. So starting from ones column, 5 minus 9, first number is not bigger than second one, so we can't subtract it, so we'll take 1, borrow from it next. Now next is 3, so 3 can give us 1. So if we take 110 from 3, how many will remain here? 2, and 110 plus 5 is become 15. Now 15 minus 9, first number is bigger than second one, so subtraction is possible. So count after small number up to big number. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 means 6. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 7 minus nothing is there, 0 is there. So 7 minus 0 is again 7. So your answer is here 706. Next, 856 minus 119. So let's arrange first in the columns. 6 is on 1, so 6 is on ones, then 5 is on tens, then 8 is on 100. Minus 119. 9 is on ones, 1 is on tens, and 1 is on 100. Right? Starting from ones column, 6 minus 9, possible? No, as first number is not bigger than second one, we can't subtract it. So we will regroup tens column. So if we take 110 from 5, how many will remain here? 4, and 110 plus 6 is become 16. So 16 minus 9, count after small number up to big number. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many? 7. So 7. Then 4 minus 1. After 1 up to 4. After 1, 2, 3, 4 means 3. Then 8 minus 1. After 1 up to 8. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 7. So your answer is 737. So this is how you can solve the sums. I hope you can do the rest of the sums by your own.